Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make béarnaise sauce, a truly exquisite classic. This rich, buttery sauce is an emulsion, much like its cousin, hollandaise. The secret to its success lies in precise temperature control and a steady hand. We'll be carefully whisking warm, clarified butter into egg yolks, creating a smooth and luxurious texture. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills and impress everyone with this timeless French staple. Our first step is to create the flavorful reduction that gives béarnaise its distinctive taste. In a small saucepan, combine 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of dry white wine, 2 finely minced shallots, and a sprig of fresh tarragon. Bring this mixture to a simmer over medium heat and reduce it until only about 2 tablespoons of liquid remain. This concentrated essence is absolutely crucial for the sauce's depth of flavor. Now for the magic of emulsification. In a double boiler, whisk 3 large egg yolks with the cooled reduction until they are light and frothy. Gradually, and I mean very gradually, begin to drizzle in 1 cup of warm, clarified butter, whisking continuously. The key here is a slow, steady stream and constant movement. Maintain a gentle heat, ensuring the water in the double boiler is simmering, not boiling, to thicken the sauce beautifully without scrambling those precious eggs. Once your béarnaise is thick and glossy, it's time for the finishing touches. Season it generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh tarragon for that signature herbaceous note. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also brighten the flavors beautifully. Serve your perfect béarnaise sauce immediately alongside grilled steak, pan-seared fish, or steamed asparagus for an unforgettable dining experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.